What's the meaning of bologna? Bologna. Bologna.
Bologna. Bologna. Bologna refers to a type of sausage that originated in the Italian city of Bologna. It is typically made from finely ground pork and beef, flavored with spices such as pepper and coriander, and then cured and smoked. In the United States, bologna often refers to a type of processed meat that is similar in appearance to the original Italian sausage but made with different ingredients, such as chicken and turkey. This type of bologna is often sliced and used in sandwiches or as a topping for pizza. Overall, bologna is a type of meat product that has been enjoyed by people around the world for centuries.